In this video, we are going to be checking out the best home treadmill for heavy people. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. NordicTrack Commercial 1750 Treadmill. If streaming training classes are a consideration for weight loss, treadmill fans will love the NordicTrack Commercial 1750. With a 300-pound weight max, this treadmill is iFit enabled, meaning trainers can control the machine's incline and decline from remote locations. And yes, it's foldable. If unfamiliar with the iFit program and how it works, feel free to read our detailed review right here. One of the better treadmill apps on the market for those looking to lose weight, the NordicTrack family has been partnering with this program for a number of years with many of its machines. More key features include a smooth and quiet 3.75 chp motor which powers a 15% incline and 3% decline to tone your lower body. Again, for heavy users, that larger motor is a key point as they won't have to worry about slowing down the motor over time. Also, treadmills which offer both incline and decline offer a unique approach to weight loss. This unit also sports a 10-inch HD iFit-enabled touchscreen with a free 30-day iFit membership included for interactive training and stats tracking. If entertainment is needed to keep you moving on the workout, it has built-in speakers and Bluetooth audio for you to listen to all your favorite workout playlists. The Bluetooth feature can also be used in conjunction with heart rate monitors. For those who've passed over this unit in years past, improved 2022 features include solid handrails and one-touch controls, a quiet drive inline technology which keeps the unit, another key point for those with families or roommates. This treadmill works for both walking or long-distance running, and it's built to include high-intensity interval training into the routine. For heavier people seeking a high-quality treadmill for all the family to enjoy, the NordicTrack Commercial 1750 makes for an excellent buy. See our in-depth review of the NordicTrack Commercial 1750. Number 2. Sole F80 Treadmill. Treadmill shoppers are no stranger to the Sole F80, which is consistently ranked atop buy across many categories. This is good news for heavier users who want a treadmill their friends and family can enjoy as well. Sporting a weight limit of 375 pounds, this machine also brings a rock-solid warranty and reputation for service. And believe it or not, it's a folding treadmill. Another big plus is the cushion flex whisper deck which reduces joint impact by 40%. The Sole F80 actually made the top spot on our list for best overall home treadmill of 2021. Some of the Sole F80's stellar highlights include a roomy 22x60 running deck suitable for all the family, a commercial standard 3.5 HP motor which can support running as well as walking, and a power incline up to 15% to sculpt your lower body. For entertainment and workout stats tracking, you will have a 9-LCD display with 10 preset programs so you can diversify your training. True, this isn't among the larger screens out there, which is why the unit also has a built-in tablet holder to dock your device and Bluetooth connectivity for audio and stats tracking. Like to monitor your fitness progress? You can track your stats through the free Sole Fitness app and sync this workout data to your favorite fitness app like Fitbit, Record, or Apple Health. Number 3. XTERRA Fitness TRX 3500 Folding Treadmill. Maximize your home workouts with XTERRA Fitness TRX 3500 Folding Treadmill. It combines quality, performance, and great looks with the premium features you desire in a home treadmill. The heart-pounding speed range up to 12 miles per hour is powered by a smooth and quiet XTERRA 3.0 HP motor. Extra soft deck cushioning technology, oversized 20x60 running surface, and 12 levels of incline are included in the long list of premium features. The console includes a large 6.5 blue backlit LCD display with 30 preset programs for a variety of workout options. Plus, with Bluetooth FTMS users get the ultimate workout by connecting to popular third-party apps. Easily adjust your pace and incline with the console direct access buttons or handlebar-mounted speed and incline controls. High-quality built-in speakers make it easy to listen to your favorite tunes, and a cooling fan keeps you comfortable. With the lift assist and safe drop design, you can safely and easily fold and set up the treadmill between use. Number 4. Horizon Fitness T101 Foldable Treadmill. Proving that a bigger treadmill doesn't necessarily mean a bigger price, the Horizon 7.4 comes in online at budget-friendly prices, chock full of great features. With a maximum user weight of 350 pounds, The machine sports 3-zoned variable response cushioning which customizes the shock absorption to the front, middle, and the end of the belt to fit the individual runner. This is a great feature for people with obesity, or taller runners, whose stride is different than the average user. The Horizon 7.4 runs off a 3.5 chp motor with a 0.08-inch thick deck, and 0.063-inch belt, all atop 2.36-inch/1.811-inch tapered rollers. Heavy people using a treadmill need that kind of support for sustained training as the overall load placed on the machine dictates a good deal of its life. Another big plus for the Horizon 7.4 is its outstanding lifetime warranty on the frame and motor, as well as unlimited interactive streaming options, which Horizon offers discounts on. Other highlights include an easy-to-fold frame, powerful 3.5 chp motor which can keep pace with interval training, a roomy 60x22 track, Bluetooth heart rate monitoring, and preset programs including Sprint 8 training program, a HIIT training program for runners. You get a lot of bang for your buck with the Horizon 7.4, especially if you and the rest of your household members want to try a variety of interactive training apps. See our detailed review of the Horizon 7.4. Number 5. XTERRA Fitness TR300 Folding Treadmill. Whether you're wanting to lose weight, tone up or run your first marathon, achieve your fitness goals with the XTERRA Fitness TR300 Treadmill. The quiet and powerful 2.25 HP commercial-grade motor is covered. The large 20x55 walking/running surface with extra soft cushioned deck technology provides maximum impact absorption, minimizing the stress on your joints. Remote controls are conveniently located on the handlebars and allow you to quickly adjust speed and incline without interrupting your workout. A large 5.5 blue backlit LCD display keeps you updated on your necessary workout feedback, speed, incline, time, distance, calories and pulse. Direct access speed and incline buttons located on the console are great for interval training and keep your favorite workout settings quickly at hand. The premium console specifically designed to keep you comfortable features an audio jack, speakers, cooling fan, and accessory holders with built-in reading rack. 24 preset programs, heart rate control, and manual program offer unmatched variety for your workouts. When your workout is complete, lift-assist folding deck technology makes folding and unfolding your treadmill safe and easy, while an integrated carriage design allows for convenient transport. Simply fold and store out of the way when not in use. If you enjoyed this video, then like this video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.